Hello, Junior Doctors. Welcome back to Junior Dr. Fiona Chow's YouTube channel. In today's video, we are going to continue from last week's video and continue dissecting our fish. Okay, so if you're sensitive to this type of content, please shut this video down immediately. And second, before watching this video, check out my previous video and also about the lab safety, so including goggles, gloves, and lab coats. Okay, so now we can continue. So let's start with the digestive system. It's really important because fish eat same as us, and it has to get the nutrition from its food. Okay, so we have discussed the food goes from the mouth, and it goes all the way to the stomach here. So the stomach, as you can see, there's these white polka dots kind of, and these orange parts. That is parasites, and unfortunately this fish has parasites. And then the food goes in the stomach where acid would break down the food, and it would go to the intestines, which is here. This is the large intestine, and the poo would go here, and this is where the excretion would come out of the body, so that the things that are not nutritious would be excreted out of the body. Okay, now let's talk about the reproductive system. So for this fish, you could guess what gender it is. Okay, so I'll give you 3 seconds. Okay, so no matter what you guessed, you could see here is the reproductive system of the fish. This is the gonad, and it is, so from this we could see that this whole fish is a female, because these are the eggs, the 2 ovaries. And sometimes for these kind of fish, the eggs would be fertilized and it would become baby fish in the mother's body. And after that, the baby fish would come out of the body, of the mother's body, and it would become a fish of itself. Okay, now we could see this whole part is the fish's muscle. And when we close this, when we open this to here, we'll see on this side is the pancreas and also the gallbladder here. So it's 2 separate things. This is the pancreas and this is the gallbladder. Okay, so you can see there's a lot of parasites in this fish, unfortunately. However, the anatomy of this fish is really clear from this, and we could see here. And also, let's close this fish to see the sensory systems of the fish. Okay, so let's first think about the fins. So this is the caudal fin, and this is the anal fin. This is the pelvic fin, and this is the pectoral fin. This, for the buoyancy and weight, is the dorsal fin. This is very important, and this is to propel the fish forward, and this is to direct the fish to places, and this is for balance. And so where could the fish hear something? These are the lines for the auditory system, and as you can see, the eyes. Okay, so now we're pretty much done with the anatomy of this fish. And so drop any comments or topics you might have, and remember to eat healthy, exercise, and enjoy life. Thank you so much for watching, and hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on post notifications. Thank you, and see you next time.